Hey guys, what's going on? Now it's 5:30 a.m. and we are going to buy a new project car for me. It will be enormous adventure. Let's go. At last I arrived to Odessa. The weather, as you see, is much better than in Kiev. It's so sunny like in the summer. We went not by smart because traveling in smart car is very difficult because the road is absolutely awful. I used BlaBlaCar. If somebody doesn't know, BlaBlaCar is a service where you can join someone who travels in that direction you need to go. So you go with him and pay only by petrol and a bit more. Today it was Chevy Spark or Chevy Aveo, and it was awful ride, not only because the car can't go more than 110 kilometers per hour. It was so noisy and it was so hot inside, and that was absolutely uncomfortable car. We spent more than 6 hours on 500 kilometers. But at last we are here. Let's go to pick new car. So what was the purpose of going to Odessa? After selling fourth generation Prelude, we had to buy a new project car, interesting car, because I need some car to ride to my office, and of course it should have been interesting, beautiful and coupe. So I've chosen Prelude, the same as I had as my first Honda Prelude, the 5th generation Prelude. I'll of course tell you in details all the specs of my new car, because it's a very extraordinary car on great engine with absolutely great specs. So it would be very interesting. You can see my car behind me. And all the details you will see later, because now I have to ride over 500 kilometers back home. For now Honda feels very good, but you can see the road is absolutely awful. We have Koni sport shocks and lowered suspension, and the road is so wasted. So this is my first experiment. I would like to check my fuel consumption on this fresh bought car with tech engine H22A with 200 horsepower. And this is my first petrol station after 420 kilometers. We almost reached Kiev. They left not many kilometers. So now I have full tank. Unfortunately, near Odessa I filled my tank with some shit because the car felt not so good. It pushed during my trip, so I really had to get rid of all this petrol I got near Odessa. So I've got 33 liters and we managed 420 kilometers. So after calculating, the fuel consumption is 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers. I suppose it's great result. The speed was 110 kilometers per hour, not using cruise control. So let's go home.